Interested in growing microgreens indoors but not sure where to start? By the end of this video, you're gonna have the exact procedure I use here in my farm so you can grow perfect trays of microgreens on your own at home. For the best microgreens content, be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you get notified when I post a video every Tuesday. I've been growing microgreens commercially for over 3 years now, and I've definitely perfected the process. I've learned so much by experimenting over the years, and I want to pass this knowledge on to you so you can grow perfect trays of microgreens now without having to make all the mistakes that I've made to learn this. Whether you're new to growing or simply want to improve your technique, I'm going to take you step by step to show you exactly how I grow microgreens indoors. First, you're going to get your trays ready by placing a tray that has holes inside of a tray that doesn't have holes. This is called a tray set. Next, fill the tray set with your preferred growing medium. I'm using a potting mix made of perlite and peat moss. Spread the soil out evenly without pressing down. Now that the soil is spread out evenly throughout your tray, you can use a soil press or simply use another tray to press down the soil and make a flat surface for your seeds. Spread your seeds out evenly across the tray and press them down so they have really good contact with the soil. If you're using bigger seeds like sunflower or pea, you're gonna have to soak them first beforehand. Next, you're gonna mist the tray heavily. The seeds need enough water to fully germinate and also to last them through the whole germination phase. Stack your trays and add weight on top. This keeps the seeds in the dark, it improves moisture retention throughout the germination phase, and the weight actually gives the seeds something to push up against so they can push their seeds down into the growing medium. Comment below and let me know if you've ever grown microgreens before. I'd love to hear more about your experience growing microgreens. Was it easy? Was it fun? Was it exciting? Let me know down below in the comments. After a few days, you're actually going to see the plants pushing up the weighted tray. This means that the germination phase is now complete. Next, you're going to put your germinated trays underneath a grow light and give them their first watering. Remember, they haven't had water since that initial misting we did, so it's important to give them water right when you first put them out underneath that grow light. Every day in the morning, you're going to want to water your microgreens. Once the leaves have developed a canopy on top, you're going to want to switch your watering to bottom watering, where you add water between the trays rather than on top of the plants. After the plants have grown for about another week, depending on the variety, your microgreens are fully grown and ready to eat. Harvest your microgreens carefully with a knife and enjoy the amazing benefits that these plants have to offer. Great job, guys. You now have microgreens that you grew indoors from seed to harvest all on your own. Now you know how to grow your own microgreens at home, but what if something goes wrong? I created a Facebook group so I can assist you as you grow and answer any questions you might have. So use the link down below in the description to join the group. I'll see you there. Check out these videos next to learn about what seeds to start with and how to harvest your microgreens now that you know how to grow them. If you like this video and learned something from it, be sure to like the video below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this with all of your friends. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you next time.